Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to pay with Remitly on Binance, and this is actually a very easy tutorial, so let's get right into it. At first you're going to head over to Binance, and then you're going to click on wallet, and then you'll see something called fiat and spot, like deposit and withdraw. You're going to click on that one. After that it's going to say deposit fiat, so you're going to choose what currency you want it to be deposited from, and then you're going to choose bank transfer and click on continue. After that it's going to say add account information, so you have to add your bank account details. So put in your name and then the IBAN and then the Swift code of a Remitly. After that what you're going to do is enter the amount, and then it's going to say you'll receive this much amount, and then click on continue. From there it says that your name, like bank account name and Binance account, should match all of this, so make sure you check everything. And then it's gonna say like to confirm everything one last time, so you're gonna do that, and it's gonna say deposit order has been submitted. So if you click on view history, you can see the transaction history will be over here, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.